Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of an easier one in this one. We're only going to do one problem from this section. We're going to do a washer problem. No, this is actually a disk problem, just kidding. So we're going to do 8-54, and it says that we've got this hemisphere over here, and this is the equation of our hemisphere, and we're going to describe what happens when we revolve this line around y equals 2. So I guess we'll do something like this, and then we'll get this kind of figure, and we're going to try and find the volume of that. However, the line y equals 2, we're going to go ahead and try and make the line y equals 2 into like y equals 0, and then try and take this part and move it down here or move it up here. So I already did that, and I changed our equation so that it matches. So in order to take this graph and turn it into this one, we are going to reflect it. So that's why we're going to get a negative, and then we're going to add 2 units to it. So that's going to shift it up. So let's go ahead and sketch what our graph looks like. So we're going to rotate this. And how can I describe what this looks like? This could be like an apple core, or like, I don't know. Sure, an apple core. And we're going to go ahead and evaluate the integral. We're going to be doing vertical rectangles. So that means we don't have to do dy at all. So our integral is going to go from -1 to 1. That's going to be our total distance. My dog is being loud in the back here. So we're going to go from -1 to 1. And then our radius is going to be 2. So we're going to start off with pi 2 squared. And then we are going to be subtracting our equation of this graph. And this graph is this one. So that's going to be pi negative square root of 1 minus x squared plus 2 squared, because it's pi r squared, and dx. And I already took the liberty of doing this problem ahead of time, so you could punch in this integral in your calculator. You definitely should, but you should get around 15.55 units cubed. And that's all I really wanted to go over today. You only have 2 problems for homework, so go ahead and do both of those. Nice and easy, and I will see you later.